Welcome to our course, Hands-on Learning Through Toy Making. Here, you will learn how to make toys with children and make classes more engaging. Yes, we will be making toys and playing with them, and in the process, discover the underlying scientific principles. Remember our time as a child? We used to make paper planes and boats and experiment with different designs to see how far it goes. We will do all of it once again in a systematic way. Imagine a classroom full of children playing with their toys and discussing and discovering the scientific principles behind them. How fun such a classroom would be! Let's make it a reality. In this course, we will learn how to make geometric shapes with matchsticks. We will use straws to make flutes and water sprinklers. We will make a pen stand on its own and fly in the air. Of course, with the help of magnets. We will use batteries to make a DC motor and a generator. And in the end, you will have the opportunity to create a toy of your own. After learning how to make toys, we will learn how to plan activities for the classroom. The photos and videos of the classroom implementation would be uploaded and used for evaluation. We realize that we are living in the middle of a pandemic and schools are not functioning as usual. We recommend doing the activities online with your school students if you are taking classes online. Otherwise, you may facilitate the activities with 3-4 children of suitable age from your family or neighborhood. At the end of the course, you will be able to bring a shift from the lecturing mode to facilitating children towards learning by doing. Children would be doing the activities with their hands and in the process learn problem solving and learning from their own mistakes. In the process of making toys and learning about them, we will also learn how to work together. We, the course instructors, are here with you to discuss, to see your work and progress, and to learn new things from you. My name is Ankit, and I, along with my colleagues Shameen and Rafiq, would be your instructors for this course. Welcome once again.